right, so you're saying you simply can't rely on your workforce management solution to do everything you need.
That's not true. I help a lot. I am very helpful. Helpful is my middle name. I put the hell in helpful.
Okay, so tell me, when was the last time you gave an accurate forecast?
Can you define accurate? I just want my answer to be, accurate.
I end up spending a bazillion hours a week doing my own forecast manually in Excel. What a waste of time.
Hey, don't be so hard on yourself. I'm sure you kill it with a spreadsheet.
Okay, we need to focus on the positive here if we can, please. There must be something you like about your solution.
He has an okay interface.
It is pretty good, if I say so myself.
Just once, I wish you would schedule the right number of people with the right language skills. I am tired of being overstaffed and I end up paying too many agents.
Well, I'm supposed to automatically run complex simulations to determine skill usage by group? As if I'm some kind of friggin' software or something?
You are software!
Fair point.
I am at my wit's end. My agents are threatening to quit because they don't like their schedule.
Wow. That's terrible. Even I know churn is bad. Someone should do something about that.
That's your job! I need you to automatically assign pre-approved trades and swaps and VTOs and overtime opportunities.
Hey, I wish I could. I also wish I could dance a merengue, but that ain't gonna happen, sister.
You see what I'm dealing with here?
I think I have the perfect solution.
Oh, see, I knew we could work things out. This is good.
You need the cloud-based intelligent workforce management solution from NiCE. NiCE harnesses the power of AI and machine learning to deliver accurate forecasts and precise schedules while engaging your agents in a way you've never even dreamt was possible.
That sounds amazing.
Well, hey, I think we're being a little harsh here. We have history together. Don't forget about my interface, right? I mean, looks count for something, don't they?
You are history.
But you were going to work together. You said work together. Oh, see what you did? Thanks.